This is exactly how I myself was able to fix Escape the Backrooms connection error. So the first thing we need to do is to just go into Steam here on Library, as you can see, and then right click on Escape the Backrooms. Then what you need to do is to just click on Properties here, as you can see, and then click on Installed Files. Make sure that you verify integrity of your game files right here, as you can see. This might sometimes take you a while. Just so you know, you can actually close this one, and you can see down below how long you have left here, as you can see. Then the second step is going to be for us to go into settings. So go into settings on your PC or laptop here, as you can see. And then now on settings, what I'm going to do is to write like this: allow an app through Windows Firewall. So click right here. Sometimes the issue is that you haven't allowed, I'm just gonna make sure to zoom in or focus here for you so you can see what I'm doing actually. Sorry for this, guys. So now what we need to do on this page right here is that we're gonna make sure that Escape the Backrooms are actually allowed through our firewall, because this can sometimes be the issue as well, just so you know. Just click on the E button on your laptop or computer, and then you can see Escape the Backrooms here. Make sure that this one is enabled or toggled on here, and then click on OK if you haven't done so. And now there's one more thing that we need to do as well, and that is to check our date and time settings. So just search for date and time settings here, as you can see. So go into your date and time settings and then set time zone automatically. Make sure to have this one set to on, and make sure that your time zone is of course correct to exactly that location that you are in right now, because if this one is incorrect, then it might give you a lot of problems with your internet connection, just so you know. So do all of those settings here that I just showed you and then go back and try once again. Hopefully now it's gonna be fixed for you as well.